As the second night descends, King Shahryar waits in silence, his eyes losing their cold edge to a newfound curiosity. With a gentle smile, Scheherazade gracefully weaves back into her unfinished tale.
Good evening, Your Majesty. It is an honor to be in your presence.
The night is getting late. Are you going to continue?
Of course, my king. Let us pick up where we left off.
The merchant was in danger. What happened next?
Well, he had to figure out a way to save his own life. He begged the monster. He needed to go back home.
A monster never shows mercy.
No. He made a promise. Let me take you back to that dark forest.
I am listening. Go on.
The furious demon demands a life for a life, but grants the doomed merchant 1 year to bid his family farewell. True to his honorable word, the merchant bravely returns to the wasteland to embrace his fatal destiny.
You have to let me go! I didn't mean to trespass!
You broke the ancient rules. You must pay the price.
I understand. But my family is waiting for me!
Your family cannot save you now. It is too late.
If you give me time, I will put my affairs in order.
Time? You humans always ask for time. You never keep your word.
Swear on my life. I will return in exactly 1 year.
1 year? To say goodbye to your loved ones?
Yes, I just want to hold my children one last time.
If you do not return, I will hunt you down. Go, but remember your promise. 1 year.
Thank you. I will not run away. I promise.
Well, my time has run out. I am back. I said goodbye to them.
You actually came back. I did not expect this.
I told you, I always keep my word.
Honesty is rare, but the rule cannot be changed.
I know. Do what you must do.
You have made your peace. Close your eyes, human.
Goodbye, my family. I love you.
In his darkest hour, 3 mysterious old men step forward, offering their own wondrous tales to ransom the merchant's life. The bizarre tragedies of a wicked wife turned deer and treacherous brothers turned dogs move the demon's heart, erasing 2/3 of the death sentence.
Hold on! Stop right there, great beast!
Who dares to...
We are just travelers. But we saw what is happening here.
A proposal? Humans have nothing I want.
We have stories. Stories of magic and tragedy. If our stories are strange enough, will you forgive part of his debt?
Strange stories. Very well. I am listening.
Look at this creature. She travels with me everywhere.
A magical deer. What is so special about her?
She is not an animal. She was my wife.
Your wife? Turned into a beast?
She used dark magic because she was jealous of an innocent family.
Jealousy often leads to darkness.
Found out about her spell, and I had to stop her.
Yes, she was punished. Transformed into this gentle creature. A heavy burden to carry. You have a kind heart. This is a rare and strange tale.
For this story, I forgive 1 part of the merchant's debt.
Oh, thank you.
That is only a small part of the debt. Let me tell you my story.
Another story? Step forward, human.
Look at these 2 hounds. They are not normal animals.
They look weak and frightened. What is their secret?
They were my brothers. We grew up together in the same house. We traveled the world, looking for fortune and success.
Human greed. It always destroys families.
You are right. Gold changed their hearts completely. One night, they pushed me into a cold, dark river. They left me behind to take all my fortune for themselves.
But you survived. How did you escape the river? A powerful nature spirit found me and saved my life. The spirit punished them. They were transformed into these hounds. I keep them with me.
Justice was served. The spirit made the right choice. Your story is dark, but it teaches a good lesson. For your incredible tale, I forgive the second part of his debt.
I cannot believe it! I might actually live!
Do not celebrate yet. One part of the debt remains.
You are right. I am still not completely free.
Tension peaks as the third old man steps up, just as the first light of dawn spills into the royal chamber. Leaving the promise of an even stranger tale hanging in the air, Scheherazade captivates the king once more, securing her life for another day.
And you, the quiet one, do you have a story too?
I do, but my story is darker than the night.
Darker than the night? I am the master of the dark forest.
Then you will appreciate what I am about to tell you. If my story is more surprising than the others, you must free him completely.
Agreed. But if it is boring, I will end his story tonight.
Many years ago, in a kingdom far from here, I met a creature much more dangerous than you.
The third elder began to speak.
Wait. Why did you stop? What did he say?
Look at the window, my king. The sun is rising. Morning has come. I must stop the story here.
You cannot stop now. I need to know what happened.
But the rule is clear. My time is up when dawn arrives.
I am the king. I make the rules in this castle. That third story. Is it really more surprising than the others?
Oh, my king. It is the most incredible story of all. But my eyes are heavy. I need to rest.
Very well. You may rest today. But tonight, you will finish the story. Do you understand?
Thank you, my king. You are very generous.
Just make sure the story is worth it.
She survived another night. Unbelievable. Her words are like magic. I cannot stop listening.
I must prepare my mind. Tonight will be difficult. The third story must be absolutely perfect.
Tell me one thing about that monster.
Of course. What do you want to figure out?
Why did the beast care about their stories? He is made of dark magic.
Even monsters respect ancient justice. They keep their promises.
When the sun came up, the beast probably realized something. Human lives are short. He followed the rules. A monster with honor. Many kings could learn from him.
You are a wise king to see that. Some rules must be kept.
And what about the merchant? Did he run away?
He walked away from the dark forest, finally free.
He looked forward to seeing his family again. He learned that honesty can save your life.
Honesty. That is a rare thing in this castle. Everyone here tells me lies to make me happy.
But I do not tell you lies, my king. I only tell you stories.
I know. That is why you are still here. And that third elder.
Cyrus.
Why did he wear a blue velvet cloak?
Because he was not a normal traveler. He came from the sea.
He had seen things that no normal man should ever see.
Yes.
And the creature he met was made of pure water and ice.
Ice?
I must hear this story right now.
Please, my king, do not make me ruin the surprise. I have been speaking.
All night long. You do look pale. Your voice is getting weak. I will not push you anymore today.
Thank you. I will be ready when the sun goes down.
You better be. I cannot stop thinking about it.
If you excuse me, I will go to sleep now.
Go ahead. The bed is yours for the day.
It is very soft. Thank you. I have not slept in a real bed for days.
Well, you earned it. You brought something new to this castle. Rest well, Seraphina.
I will. And tonight, I promise to amaze you. The story of Elder Cyrus will change everything.
I will hold you to that promise. Sleep now, Elder Cyrus. A monster made of water. I can hardly wait.
One more day. I figured out a way to survive. The king is finally under my spell.
And that is how the Ice Kingdom melted into the ocean.
I have lived for 500 years. A promise is a promise. The merchant is free.
I am free! The debt is finally paid!
Thank you. You saved my life, all of you.
Go home to your family, my friend. Your journey is over.
I will never forget this forest, and I will never take my life for granted.
A good lesson learned. Now, she saved herself with nothing but words. Incredible. I must make sure no one disturbs her sleep.
The Ice Kingdom. I must remember all the details for tonight.
There are many more magical stories waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more easy English fairy tales. See you in the next story.